Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about soil and its formation. What is soil? Generally, we say the upper layer of the earth crust is called soil. This is the definition which we learned from a long period of time. Or the thin layer on the crust of the earth is called soil. Now, what it covers? A layer of soil covers much of earth's surface, right? Mainly wherever we go, we can see the soil. What is soil made up of? It is made up of weathered rock particles, or we can say parental rocks. Then decaying remains of dead plants and animals called humus. Along with that, not only the parental rock, but most of the things which decayed in the earth, that is that are like dead plants, leaves as they shed their leaves, branches that are included, as well as the decaying of animals that are also included in the part of soil, right? Then water is also essential for the formation of rock, and air. Living thing including plants and animals such as worms, earthworms you might have seen, which can walk on both the sides, right? So earthworm is also a part of this, right? So the rock surface is eroded due to factors like temperature, rain, snow, air, vegetation and insect, and it turns into powdery form. तो ये जो सारी चीज़ें हैं, पहले जो पेरेंटल रॉक्स है उनको फाइन सॉइल के फाइन पाउडर के रूप में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. उसमें जो फैक्टर्स अफेक्ट करते हैं दैट आर टेम्परेचर, रेन, स्नो, एयर, वेजिटेशन and insect. These are the factors which affect in the formation of soil. Thus, it forms the land layer, and in these layer there are gravels, smaller stones, pebbles, soil particles, etc., which are known as regolith. और इसके अंदर जो छोटे छोटे पत्थर होते हैं जिसे कहते हैं ग्रेवल्स, उससे भी छोटे होते हैं, उसे कहते हैं स्मॉलर स्टोन्स, फिर पेबल्स and soil particles. All these mixture is called regolith. It contains only mineral contents. Then the biotic matter, air and water are mixed with it, and finally soil is formed out of this mixture. तो ये जो फर्स्ट प्रोसेस है जिसपे ग्रेवल्स है, स्मॉल स्टोन्स है, पेबल्स है, that are the primary it is the primary stage of soil formation. Then it is useful because that time only minerals are contained in it, but afterwards biotic matters, air and water, that are mixed with it. Biotic matters means the dead bodies of animals, then the decayings of remains of dead plants, that all are included in this, and finally it converts into the soil. Soil is the basic resource of agriculture. Whatever work we want to do, that we can do, but for that it is required to be the soil, right? Soil is important for our day-to-day life as well as is the basic resource for agriculture. And these process of decaying plants, animals turn into powder, that requires a long term, right? So formation of soil requires requires a long term process, right? Then plant need soil to grow. And how does soil support plant growth? Plant need soil to grow. soil में प्लांट को ग्रो करने के लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्टर है कि सोइल चाहिए. पर सोइल प्लांट को कैसे उसके ग्रोथ में हेल्पफुल होता है? तो सोइल सप्लाइज प्लांट विथ वाटर एंड इम्पोर्टेंट न्यूट्रिएंट्स एंड ऑल्सो हेल्प टू एंकर रूट्स, राइट? तो सोइल है वो प्लांट को वाटर सप्लाई करती है, इम्पोर्टेंट न्यूट्रिएंट्स सप्लाई करती है, और दूसरा जो भी प्लांट ग्रो होता है उनके जो रूट्स होते हैं उसको वो अपने अंदर जकड़ के रखती है, so that it can grow easily. Okay, so the factors which are important here in the process of soil formation, that are parental rock, climate, topography means the region where it is, then organisms and time. As it is a long term process, so it requires a long period of time also to turn into a soil from parental rocks. So these are the steps for the processing of the soil formation. Then uses of soil. Soil can be used in many different ways, like construction of buildings, then clay art, then constructions of roads, even in jewelry, building materials, and making a floor, right? So lots of uses of soil are there, as well as gardening also. Okay, so these are the uses of soil and the process of soil formation. In next video we will discuss about the types of